In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Fresha link in our full 2025 guide. If you're new to Fresha or simply looking to share your booking page efficiently, you're in the right place. We'll go through the steps together, ensuring you can share your profile with ease. First, you'll want to log into your Fresha account. Head over to fresha.com and sign in to your professional account. This is where you'll manage all your bookings, so having access to your account is crucial. Make sure you're entering your credentials correctly and that you have a secure connection to keep your details safe. Once you've logged in, we're going to navigate to your public profile. The profile icon is conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Profile. Selecting this will take you to your public booking page, a key area that clients use to view and schedule their appointments with you. Now that you're on your profile page, the next step is to find the share icon. This is typically represented by a classic share button or a link icon. It should be easy to spot on your page. We aim to provide your clients with a seamless booking experience, so this share feature is super handy. With the share options visible, you'll see an option called Copy Link. Clicking this will copy your Fresha booking link directly to your clipboard. That means no manual typing or errors. Just a quick, hassle-free way to keep your link handy. You can now paste this link wherever you need it, whether in an email, text message, or social media post. As a tip, if you're planning to share this link with multiple clients or platforms, consider saving it somewhere easily accessible, like a Notes app or document. This ensures you won't need to repeat these steps every time you want to share your booking page, saving you precious minutes. Sharing your Fresha link is a fantastic way to broaden your client reach and make the booking process straightforward for everyone involved. By following these simple steps, you ensure that your clients have effortless access to your services just a click away. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to copy your Fresha link. Remember, sharing your booking page is an excellent tool for boosting customer engagement and growing your professional presence. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your business tools. See you in the next video.